Hi there, my name is Katie and I'm a librarian at Carnegie Library, Pittsburgh. Today I'm going to show you how to search within specific types of records in Ancestry. When you are starting out on your genealogy journey, it'll be tempting to start by clicking this big green button to begin your search. And though this seems like the best place to start, it actually is not. This global search feature will search more than 10,000 databases, including records that may not be relevant to your search. So if you've done your preliminary homework, you'll know if you're looking for a birth record, a census form, or naturalization paperwork. So you don't want other records cluttering up your search results. Instead, let's open one of the specific records collections on the main page by clicking on Search in the top bar, or even down below, down here, in Quick Links. To get a better understanding of what's included in these categories, click on the heading and scroll down to see the collection information. So this will help you determine whether these records will be useful to you. Let's take a look at a few of these search fields. In the Census and Voter List section, you can see that information in this search form is specific to the information that is gathered by this record. So we can search via family name, family member name, gender, or even place lived. And this is great because sometimes searching by name will not give you the best information. Names can be wrong, misspelled, or mistranscribed. So utilizing these other fields can give you a more accurate search. If we take a look at the immigration and travel collection, for example, the same is true. So the information in this search is far more specific than the information in the global search field. We can search by arrival and departure dates, even within a specific time frame, right here, origin and arrival locations, etc. And if we want to be even more specific, we can further refine what types of records we're searching by category into passenger lists, and even further into a specific data collection like the Massachusetts Passenger and Crew List 1820 to 1963. And again, scroll all the way down to see information about this data collection, including any restrictions it may have. So that big green button is a good place to start when you don't know much about the person you're searching for. Maybe they are in a new line that you're investigating and you need to cast a wide net. But by searching in more specific ways within the varied records that exist in Ancestry, you will have access to a wider breadth of information and learn more than you could have ever imagined about your family.